Guys, I made this slime and it's super cool, and I'm gonna tell you the ingredients I use. I'm not lying what I used. I used all of this in there. I'm not lying. And I used this glue, the whole bottle. And I didn't use none of it. I used the whole bottle from top to bottom. It's 4 ounces. 4 ounces of the washable school glue. It's non-toxic. It's from HEB. So yeah, I used that. I used about like 7 pinches of borax, and I filled the water all the way on top of here. And then I mixed it and mixed it and mixed it, and from mixing and mixing and mixing, you'll get this slime. So yeah, I just wanted to show you because I wouldn't recorded it with you, but I showed you how to make a lot of slime. So yeah, this is the slime. So yeah, I'll be right back. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back. I went to go throw away that glue because, yeah, I took it out of the trash, but the trash was empty, so don't worry. So yeah, oh dang it, messed up. I mean, I messed up. As you see, it's sticking. It's because I haven't kneaded it all the way. It's like a liquid and a solid. It's a cool. It's like a barrel slime. I'm sorry guys, I don't do editing because I don't know how to work it. If you know how to work editing, just comment below and tell me. Please tell me, because my videos will be more awesome. They'll have music and stuff like that. And they'll be like Glitter Forever 17. If you haven't seen her channel, go visit her channel. And it'll be like Karen Garcia's channel. If you haven't seen her channel, go check it out. It'll be stuff like that. And I don't know. I just want my videos to be like that because everybody checks out those videos. So yeah. Oh my god. Sticking to the bowl. Oh, sorry guys, I'm trying to show you. Yeah, let's look so fast. Oh my god, it's like a liquid. You guys have to check this out. Okay. Oh, sorry guys. Okay. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. And if you saw, if it looked like I was naked or something like that, I know that sounds gross, but I wasn't. I was wearing really short shorts. I'm wearing these pink shorts that say, wait, I can't see. It says, what does it say? It says, I don't know exactly what it says. It says Paradise or something like that. And they're really small and they're pink. So yeah. So, I'm gonna knead it and knead it. And it dries out, guys, so yeah. Yeah, that's how to make slime, guys. So sorry I didn't make it with you, but yeah, and if it doesn't, don't throw away the water right away. Just keep kneading and kneading. Eventually you'll suck in all that water. So guys, just listen to me. Keep kneading and kneading if it's not like sucking in all the water. So yeah. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Don't forget, comment below and tell me how to do editing and stuff like that. And go check out Glitter Forever 17 and Karen Garcia's videos. That's the name of their channel, so yeah, just search that. Love you guys. Have a spooky Halloween. Because it's almost Halloween.